Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 28. In adult mammalian blood, the cells which lack nuclei are the A. Erythrocytes, B. Lymphocytes, C. Leukocytes, and D. Phagocytes. In adult mammalian blood. Now, the cells in the mammalian blood include 1. The erythrocytes. These erythrocytes are known as the red blood cells, RBC, red blood cell. We have the leukocytes. The leukocytes are referred to as the white blood cell. Then we have the thrombocytes. Now the thrombocytes are referred to as the platelets in the mammalian blood. Now the leukocytes and the thrombocytes has nucleus, but the red blood cell, which is the erythrocytes, do not have a nucleus. Red blood cells do not have nucleus, and so red blood cell is the answer to this question. Now option B here says lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is a type of leukocyte, so it is also a white blood cell, and therefore it has a nucleus. Phagocyte is also a type of leukocyte, that is a type of white blood cell, and also has a nucleus. Then leukocyte is the general name for all white blood cell, but lymphocyte and phagocyte are examples of leukocyte, white blood cell. They have nucleus. Likewise, the thrombocyte, which is a platelet, it has nucleus. But the erythrocyte, which is the red blood cell that is responsible for the transport of respiratory gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, do not have nucleus. So the answer to this question is option A, erythrocytes. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.